Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make face wash which is anti-acne, means it will remove your acne. Daily use of this face wash will make your face clean and clear, smooth and glowing, and rid of any blemishes. And it is very easy to make. Anybody can make it sitting at the corner of their home. This is a full practical video. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, please watch full video and don't skip in between in order to understand it properly. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Let's go. First, I have taken an empty vessel. First ingredient is SLES. It is a surfactant. This is CTEA. It is also a surfactant. It is a co-surfactant. I am adding this in SLES. This is cocoa betaine. See the texture? I am adding this in the solution. This is glycerin. It is a moisturizer. I am adding this in this solution. This is cocoa mono flakes. I am adding this in the solution. This is EDTA. I am adding this in the solution. This is water. You can take RO water or DM water, but please don't take tap water. Now I am transferring this in a steel bowl because we will warm it on a double boiler. As we will warm it in a double boiler, for that I have kept a big vessel on the gas with water in it. Now I had put this vessel in that big vessel. This is called double boiler. Remember, never heat it directly, otherwise the nutrients will be lost. After melting, it will look like this. It will be transparent. If you want to make it milky, you can add Egms powder in it. After cooling, I am adding salicylic acid in it. Now I am adding neem oil in it. It helps to fight the germs and bacteria. Now I am adding fragrance in it. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Your face wash is ready. Friends, now I am telling the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of SLES is 40 ml. The quantity of CDEA is 2 ml. Cocoa betaine 3 ml. Cocoa monoflakes 7 gram. Salicylic acid 1 ml. Glycerin 7 ml. Neem oil 1 ml. EDTA powder 0.40 gram. Remember, 0.40 gram. Water should be 15 ml. It is very easy to make. Put all the ingredients in a vessel on a double boiler and just melt it. Then your face wash will be ready. If you want to add EGMS, add 3 gram EGMS in it. If you want to do any business which is high profitable and low investment business, then you can do this business. Because as you see, making of face wash is very easy. Anybody can make it and it requires no machines. You can make it at any place, sitting at the corner of your house also. And the demand of face wash is very high and the price of face wash in the market is very high and the production cost is very low, and it requires very few ingredients and it's only a mixing process. So this business is very good. You can try it. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please hit the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And friends, please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon also. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is written on the top. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So if you want to see my future videos, please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.